NotebookLM creates stunning slide decks and infographics, but there's one big problem. They're completely static. You can't edit a single word, move a single element, or change a single font. Until now. Meet PDNob by Tenorshare, a tool that lets you fully edit NotebookLM slides and infographics with zero font or format loss. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So if you've been frustrated with static NotebookLM exports, stick around and smash that like button. Let's dive in.
This is Parvez Durrani and you are watching gurrutechsolutions.
First of all, let's access the official site of NotebookLM. Here it is. So let's click on Try NotebookLM and it will take us to the official site. Here you can see we have created various notebooks previously. All your previous work is displayed right here. In our case, we are creating a new notebook, so let's click Create New. Now we have this interface before us. It allows us to upload various documents, include information from YouTube and websites, import text data from Google Drive, and even copy-paste files directly. Most importantly, it also allows us to carry out research from the internet. We'll go with this option. Let's input our area of interest. I want to know about the causes and consequences of global warming on human health, including heat-related illnesses, disease spread, and air quality impact. Next, we have the option to choose between browse from web or upload from Google Drive. I'll go with web. There's also another option to carry out our task directly. However, deep research is better suited for in-depth reports and results. Once you set your preference, hit Enter and it will begin the process. You can see it finds different sources and we can import those into our notebook. At this point, you can include or remove sources for your further tasks. Altogether, I have 12 sources, so I will import all of them. Once imported, you can see a brief summary of the imported sources right before you. It talks about climate change and the global spread of infectious diseases. By the end of this section, you can see predefined questions to dig deeper into this research. You can even ask your own questions and extract information. But in our case, we are interested in generating slide decks using these sources. On the right side, you can see the option to create slide decks. Just click on it. Now you have the option to customize your slides. You can choose the language and the length of the text that will describe the slides you want to create. In my case, I want to generate a PowerPoint about the causes and consequences of global warming on human health, including heat-related illnesses, disease spread, and air quality impact. And I've specified 12 slides. Once you set your preferences, hit Enter and wait for a moment. Once the process is complete, you can see NotebookLM has generated a stunning PowerPoint presentation. At this point, NotebookLM does not allow you to edit these slides directly. You can scroll through the slides and review the content. You can also share your slides with colleagues or start presenting right away. You can download this presentation as well, so let's download it. Here is the PDF version of our PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, this presentation is completely static and we cannot edit a single word in it. So our mission is to make it editable. This time, we are also interested in generating infographics from the same sources. I'll click on Infographics and it will begin the process. Within a few seconds, we have stunning infographics before us. But the same issue applies here. The infographics are not editable, and the text and everything is completely static. Our mission is to make both the slide decks and the infographics fully editable. At this point, I would urge you to stick around till the end of the video, because there is a trick you don't want to miss, especially for making infographics editable. In order to make our slide decks and infographics editable, we are going to use a tool called PDNob by Tenorshare. The link is provided in the description. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. I want to be clear, this tool is a paid one, and the feature we are going to use is also paid. I want to explicitly mention that here. Here is the official site. PDNob is a PDF editor that allows you to edit your PDFs like a pro. It offers various features, and the most important one for our purpose is the OCR feature. PDNob is available for Windows, Mac, and more. So let's first download it for our Windows system. Once the download is complete, the installation process will begin. Once the installation is over, you will see the official interface of PDNob by Tenorshare. To make your slides editable, we are using the OCR PDF feature. Let's click on it, and it will ask us to upload our PDF file. We'll choose our file. Once the file is uploaded, you can see it prompts us to perform OCR, so let's hit it. Now we have the interface where we can set our preferences. Once everything is set, hit Enter, and it will begin the process. Once the process is complete, you can see our stunning slides generated by NotebookLM are now fully editable. I can change any text I want. I can change the color. More importantly, you can see we have the NotebookLM watermark at the bottom right of each slide, and now we can remove it. It also allows you to bold, italicize, and underline text. You can change the font size, font type, alignment, and more. Besides that, you can select any image on the slides and modify it as per your needs. For example, I can increase or decrease the size of an image, or include any other image from my system. Once you've finished editing your presentation, PDNob allows you to convert it into various formats, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. At this point, we can convert our PDF into PowerPoint format. And here it is, the Microsoft PowerPoint file, fully editable. You can make further changes if you want. What was previously completely static is now fully customizable. Now, here comes the process to make infographics editable. In order to edit your infographics, you first need to create a PDF, since the infographic is originally in PNG format. To do this, open PDNob by Tenorshare and select Create PDF. You'll then have the option to choose from your files. PDNob allows you to upload documents in various formats, including PPT, PNG, and more. Please bear in mind, you need to follow this process properly, otherwise you won't be able to edit your infographics. Instead of trying to open the PNG directly, you need to open it through the Create PDF option in PDNob. Once you do that, you can see our infographic has been opened within the platform. Now, once everything is set, hit Perform OCR, and within a few seconds, it will make your infographic fully editable. You can see I can now select any text and make changes, bold it, delete it, or modify it however I want. More importantly, you'll notice the NotebookLM watermark at the bottom right corner, which can now be removed as well. Besides text, you can also change the images used in the infographic. You can adjust their size and even upload any other image from your system. Once everything is set, you can either save it as a PDF file or convert the edited infographic into various other formats. As you can see, we have made some changes that are clearly visible. We have successfully removed the NotebookLM watermark. So this is the process you need to follow in order to edit your infographics. So in this way, using PDNob by Tenorshare, we can make both slide decks and infographics generated by NotebookLM fully editable. Try this method using this application. The link is provided in the description. Let us know your thoughts about this tool, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-related content.